Welcome back. We're now going to go back inside of our course. We're going to click the Edit button, and then we're going to go back to the Course Options area. And we're going to now customize the registration page. And again, you're going to see the same drag and drop customization elements that you did for a course lesson page that you can add to the registration page where your customer is going to set up their account. You can click on top of any of the language to make changes to it. If we click back to the margin, you're going to get the elements again, and we can add in elements to this drag and drop area. So for example, if we wanted to drag a video over, we're going to grab the video hand, and then we're going to slide the element into the registration area, and we're going to release our mouse, and the video is now available on the form, and the form adjusts. Again, what we can do is we can adjust the look and feel of the form based on the element options. And once we've completed our customization, we can then click Save. Also in the Course Options page, you can customize the course login page. We're going to click that link. And you're going to see the same elements available to you on the course login page that you can add to customize this area. So again, if we wanted to add a video to the login page, we would grab the video. We would then move it into the course sign-in page. We can grab the option and we can move it. We can even move it into this block. If we don't like the element, we can cancel the changes. So you have full control over the functionality and the appearance of your course registration and your course login page inside of Thrivecart Learn. Once you've completed all your changes, you can then click Save and Exit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.